Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow notifications on the Breeze application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then you should go to the notification section and click on the allow button. Then tap on reminder add, so you can set a reminder, select the time, and if you are done, click on the done button in the upper right corner of that white box. As you can see, it has been enabled and turned on, so you are going to get a reminder at 12 o'clock. But if you want to turn it off or change it, just come back to this section, tap on the button, and change the time if you want to do so. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.